Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got these passion twists. It's kind of like a messy look, but also a neat look. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to go hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get into these passion twists. I did start my hair off camera, as always, because I never know how I'm like the style or whatever, and if I want it to be recorded. But these were turning out good. If you guys want to see like another video of how I part my hair, just comment below, and I'll do that. So I did use the free tress braid, wavy gypsy locks. It was in 18. If I found longer, I would have went with longer, but I only ended up using 2 packs. I bought 3, but I only opened the 3rd pack for like 2 pieces of hair. Before I started anything, I used the jojoba and the almond oil. Just rubbed it all over my hair. For each section of the twist, I did prep the hair with shea butter, like the actual hair. The roots, I'm going to use the Edge Wax Murray's Extreme Hold. And of course, you'll need a crochet needle. So before I start like my twist or my like box braids or anything that requires like sectional parts like this, I do part it ahead of time and then I put the rubber bands. But I don't use the rubber bands to braid. So right now I'm just putting the shea butter in my hair to make sure it's moisturized, because it's about to be wrapped for like a month or whatever if I keep it in for that long. Now the detangling part, if you want to use like a wide teeth comb, that's fine, but I prefer this kind of comb. Now I'm just taking up a chunk of the edge wax and pasting down my roots. I said a chunk because the product is like very hard to pick up. And then you'll just start like the regular plait or box or braid without weave. Or actually you can try weave. Maybe that'll be another video. But here we're not doing it with weave. We're just doing a regular plait with my regular hair. Okay, now onto the crochet hair. I think that's what it's called. So this is the hair, and it comes with the loophole to be crocheted. So you're going to push your finger through it and just make it a little wide, just like that. When you're putting the crochet needle through like the section that you're doing, make sure the latch is closed, because that thing will rip your hair out and it's very painful. So after you get it through, you put the hair in it, you close it, and pull it back through on the other side. Now the same hole that you put the needle through and that you made wider, you're going to take your natural hair and the other piece of the lock and put it through and pull like a little tug. Don't rip your hair, but just make it a little tight. So now this part, you actually have to feel which way the lock is twisting so that you know which way to wrap it around your natural hair. So as you can see in the beginning, that's what I did. Like I felt with my thumb and my index finger, and I felt it was going, which way is that? That is, I think, right over left. Right over left, meaning like I'm passing the hair with my left hand, but my right hand is the one actually doing the wrapping. Like it's wrapping it over and I'm, like transferring with the left hand. There might not really be a specific way to wrap the hair, but I think it's just the way that you put the hair in that you have to see which way it's wrapping. Alright, I am going to show you guys again on this section at the front of my hair, so I'm just repeating the same steps I did: shea butter, edge wax, and then do the braid. Like I mentioned before, make sure the latch is closed before you push it through. As you push it through, it will open, but that's fine because it was like closed while it was going through, so it didn't like grip onto your roots or anything. So you latch the lock on, you pull it back through, take out the latch hook, I think, and then you take your natural hair with the lock and you put it through the hole. So now you should only have two pieces, the braid and the lock. Now you feel which way the lock is going and you begin to twist it around the braid. And here we are for a third time for the people that didn't grasp it the second time, which is okay because I had a hard time learning how to do this. This was actually my first time doing crochet hair. So needles closed, push it in, it's gonna open, latch the lock on, you close the latch hook, and you slide it through. Boom! So when I mentioned the direction of the lock, this is the way that it's going. So I want to make sure I'm twisting that way on my braid. So here's the final look of my hair. I actually like it because like the tips of my natural hair is brown, so then it leaves like that little, you see like that little spiral brown in my hair. That's actually my natural hair, but you can't really tell. It looks like a little style thing going on. So here I'm just using my accent charms that I had from the can toolbox in my previous video. If you didn't see it, go check it out. And I'm just adding it just to random pieces of the locks. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye.